and stars. The universe beams with light, and amidst all this, I have found my place. My songs awaken wonder in the endless dance of time, in the wave and flow of the universe. My heart beats to its rhythm, and my songs awake in wonder. I have listened, I have seen, I have poured my life to the marvel. I have explored the unknown in everything I know, and my songs awake in wonder, and my songs awake in wonder.
Olen antanut elämäni tälle ihmeelle, tutkinut tuntematonta kaikessa minkä tunnen ja lauluni heräävän